Assalamu alaikum ji, welcome guys. Today I'm going to tell you 5 ways to earn money. Today in the era where inflation is at the peak, we need to earn money. So first of all, I'm going to tell you there's a website. If you are a good content writer, this website belongs to you. If you go there, it's TextBroker. Is a really well-known website. So how you'll do it, you'll go to menu and then I write content. Okay, so if you just go into details like the payment, if you click here, they give you 1.1 cent per word if your quality, if your writing is only 3, and if you are definitely a good writer, you will earn more. So there's a brief calculator to let you know that how much can you earn. For example, if your quality is, for example, 4 stars, you have 4 stars, because first you'll have to submit something for approval. Once they approve you, then you can apply. So basically it's a rating. For example, if they give you 4 rating out of 5, and if you write, for example, like 11,000 words or even 4,000 words, you'll earn $64. You can achieve that in one day. So it's a good website. You just have to apply free author registration. That's all.